Okay, I want to set up my iPhone to record my Animoji face. First click on Settings, go to Display and Brightness, click on Light. These are all my settings for light. Go back, go to Accessibility, and go to Zoom, and read this. Double tap 3 fingers to zoom, drag 3 fingers to move around the screen. Okay, we'll try that. We click on this, quickly on home, drag that out, sweep this over to where my messages are, click on that, go down to my Animoji symbol, click on these 3 dots. Okay, now I'm going to try clicking on the screen 2 times with 3 fingers. Okay, now I want to move it around. Okay, my big face is ready to record. How cool is that? Okay, now that I've got my giant face on my iPhone, I want to add it to this clip right here in Final Cut Pro and narrate it. Let's shrink this down. Let's open up Configure Recording. And there I am. So let's start recording. Oh, we gotta wait 5 seconds. Okay, let's go back down to Final Cut, and I'll start it right now. Okay, there's my smart controller weaving around a bit there, and it's got a foggy film on it. Maybe it'll stop weaving, maybe it won't. We shall see. Yes, we will. Okay, that's cool. Oh, screen getting bigger, much bigger. All right, we can really see what's going on now. Very good. Very, 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 very good. Okay. Still going. All right, I'm going to end my recording right now. All right, now that it's ended, let's shrink this back down. Let's go up here to here, stop recording, and I'll just call it iPhone. Okay. Let's go back down to ScreenFlow. There it is. All right, let's export this over to Final Cut Pro. File, export. I'm going to go to the full screen size. Don't want to take it to desktop. I want to take it to right there. And I'll just call it phone. Let's go to manual. Change this to ProRes 422 and export it. Exporting down here. I would pause it, but I'm not going to. I want everybody to suffer. Okay, it's done. We can collapse that down. Let's go to Final Cut. Let's go to the import arrow. And there it is, phone movie. Let's import that. Let's go back to the beginning. Go ahead and bring that onto the Q on the keyboard. All right, let's part. We don't need all of this, but that's all right. Let's go ahead and detach our audio. Let's see if we're in sync. Okay, let's go back down to. Okay, we're in sync. Let's go back here. Let's go to effects. Oh, yeah, we're going to effects. We're on here. Let's drag that over. Let's go ahead and turn our strength all the way down. Click in there. Sample color. Draw a little square in there. There we are. Let's fill it till our face comes back. Okay, we're back. Let's go to matte tools. And we want to get rid of this white outline. So I think it's somewhere around -14. Actually, it's gone. Okay. Got rid of that. Let's go ahead and crop this. Having a hard time cropping it. Let's shrink this down. Okay, we got that part. Got that part. Got that part. Got that part. We're done. Let's go back to fit. Let's go back to fill holes. Let's go back to matte tools. And okay, that looks good. Let's scale it up. Okay, we got it scaled up. Let's go back down here to effects. Go to all. Type in sharpen. Drag that on. I don't know, 11. Yeah, looks good. Okay, let's go back down here to effects and we'll type in vibration. VIB is good enough. Drag that over. It's vibration. Let's go back to crop. Let's crop it down a bit more. Okay, we're done. Let's go to transform. Scale it down. Scale it down a little bit more. Bring it down in the corner. Right there. Collapse that. Let's go back to the beginning. See if let's go done. Let's see if we're still in sync. Okay, let's go back down to Final Cut, and I'll start it right now. Okay, it's obviously we're gonna have to trim it. Trim our audio. Bring this back to the beginning. Let's see if it's in sync now. Okay, there's my smart controller weaving around a bit there, and it's got a foggy film on it. Maybe it'll stop weaving, maybe it won't. We shall see. Okay, well, that worked. It worked. Pretty damn cool, huh? Okay.